In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download WooCommerce orders. Whether you're managing a bustling online store or just beginning your e-commerce journey, being able to efficiently download and access order information can be a tremendous time saver and a pathway to streamlined operations. To get started, we'll need to navigate to the Analytics section of WooCommerce, specifically focusing on the Orders section. First, ensure that you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll find the WooCommerce menu. Hover over WooCommerce, and a flyout menu will appear. From this menu, click on Analytics, and then select Orders. This specific section is designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your orders, serving as a critical tool in managing your online store. Now that we're in the Orders section, it's time to think about the data you need. At the top of the screen, you'll notice an option to set date range filters. This is particularly useful if you're looking for orders within a specific time period, for example, last month, last quarter, or perhaps even a custom date range that aligns with your reporting needs. Simply select the start and end dates that suit your requirements. Beyond just the time frame, you might want to refine your data further using advanced filters. These additional options allow you to filter your orders by criteria such as order status, product, or even customer type. For instance, if you're interested in seeing only completed orders or orders from returning customers, these filters will make that possible. Taking advantage of these filters can help you access precisely the data you need without wading through unnecessary information. Once you've customized your filters and are satisfied with your selections, it's time to proceed with downloading your data. You will find a download button located towards the top of the page. Clicking this button will automatically generate a CSV file for you. This file is essentially a spreadsheet that contains a summary of the order data based on the criteria you have set. The file includes vital information such as order number, order status, customer name, net sales, and more, providing you with a snapshot of your selected orders. Downloading orders in this manner gives you the flexibility to analyze your sales data in detail, using programs like Excel or Google Sheets, where you can sort, filter, and work with the data in whichever way suits your business needs. This step is not just about having a record, it's about leveraging that data to improve business decisions. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, downloading your WooCommerce orders becomes a quick and easy task, helping you keep track of your sales effortlessly. Whether you're crunching numbers for your next strategy meeting or reconciling accounts, having this data at your fingertips is invaluable. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.